are pleased to show you the 2016 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.